Good morning, student. Today topic is empathy map. The summary of today class is define empathy map. What is the benefit of empathy map? How to create empathy map? Type of empathy map. How to practice empathy? Importance of empathy map. A empathy mapping is the visual representation of user thoughts, feelings, and actions. Example: user experience. The user experience designer generally organize user research data and gain the data sheet and shared understanding of users needs and make the decisions. There are four type of quadrant. One is said, did, thought, and felt. Example: suppose they want purchase new things, new system, whatever may be. What they said, what they did, what they thought about the particular product, what they felt before purchasing the particular product. The benefit of the empathy map is there are four type of benefit. One is user centered. User centered, there are user needs. What type of user needs they are needed for particular product. Second one is deeper understanding. To understand the user needs to get the proper user map. Third one is engaged communications. For interacting with the users, you can get some data. The communication should be the user should be engaged. The fourth one is identifying opportunities. Finally, the user needs may be identified in the opportunity of new business innovations. Why in the empathy map is important? The data-driven design. We are getting the data from the users, from the real users. What type of users they need. Second one is team alignment. You have to all together. You have to work as a team. Clarity. Finally, you can clarity of the what type of product they need. You have to understand, simplify the user needs for understanding. Fourth one is hidden behaviors. You have to understand the user hidden behaviors. From that you can get their needs. The 5 tips for empathy mapping session. One is include diverse stakeholders. Stakeholders, there are you have to include the all type of stakeholders like student, parent, rural area people, rich people and middle class people. You have to interview all type of people for getting the feedback from them. Use visual aids. Second one is use visual aids. You have to show some visual aids for getting or understanding their problem or identifying their problem. From that you can get the ideas. Third one is iterate and refine. You have to get the feedback again, then refine the problem statement. Fourth one is digital template. You have to show the digital template for easily getting the review or interview the data. Fifth one is link to personas. You have to every statement you have to link, every problem or statement you have to link to particular persons. That should be for getting the data is very useful. How to create an empathy map. Clear focus. You should be have clear focus of the problem statement or understanding of their problems. Second one is get your material ready. If you are going to the any customer, you have to prepare the digital form or manual form for getting the data. Third one is gather real data users. You have to get the data from the real users. What type of the product they are using. From that you can get the real data from the real users. Pull the four quadrant. The quadrant of 4 is set, did and felt, feel. This is a 4 quadrant of you have to fill the all 4 quadrant. The fifth is cluster and find patterns. You have to what type of problem you have to identify, set together, you have to finalize the pattern. Finally refine and share. Finalize their needs and fix the problem statement from the empathy map. Thank you.